At the supermarket. Vocabulary. Supermarket. Basket. Trolley. Aisle. Checkout. Price. The amount of money that something costs. Change. The amount of money given back when you pay for an item. For example, cost, £7. Pay with, £10. Change, £3. Receipt. A slip of paper which marks the payment of a bill. Groceries. Food, drinks and household items that you buy in a shop or at a market. Supermarket sections. Fresh produce. Bakery. Frozen food. Deli. Condiments. Dairy. Canned foods. Meat and seafood. Bread. Alcohol. Payment. Cash. Card. Mobile payment. Contactless payment or PayWave. Useful expressions and conversations.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the canned food aisle is, please?
Of course. Please follow me. It's just around here.
Great. Thanks. Excuse me, can you tell me where the frozen food section is?
Yes, it's aisle number 4. Can I help you with anything else?
No, thanks, I'm all good. How much are the eggs, please?
It's £1.99.
Okay, thanks.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.